Hey everybody. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I undervolt my 5900X Ryzen 9 CPU for mining. It's pretty well the same setting on any algorithm you might be mining. Same way, same approach, and the only difference would probably be if you're running a single channel of RAM or a dual channel. So anyway, we hit delete or F2. This is an Asus Prime B550, I believe, or 560. We just go into our F7 over to our main options. We're going to head over to AI Tweaker, hit enter on the first one, and you'll see DOCP. Yep, we want to hit that because we're running dual channel. And we're going to go down CPU core ratio. Oh, wait, what is this? Is this one? No, this one. Yeah, so CPU core ratio for 5900X, you hit 37. That's the base clock speed. We're going to keep it there. And then per CCX, we want to change that. We go 36.25 and 37.75. And this is kind of balancing our load average on those cores. Something like that. Precision boost overdrive, we're going to disable. Okay, we don't use that when we're running a Ryzen 9 like this. I don't do anything with my RAM. I just use the built-in settings through the DOCP function. It's also called like Expo, I think, and for Intel it's XMP profiles. Yes. So going down here in the menu, we can eventually find, did I go by it? Yeah, CPU voltage. We want that in manual. And I know the voltage for this is 0.918. Oh, didn't work. There we go, 0.9, and it rounds it off for you. Okay, so this setting should give me about 128 watts or 13 kilohash. Pretty good. Okay, and then we're moving over to our advanced settings, and we just quickly go onboard device configuration. We're going to disable HD audio, and my thinking is these could be using threads, so we want to get rid of all that stuff. PCIe mode, just leave all that in auto, it's fine. Okay, so serial port, we can disable that. I don't touch the USB stuff. LAN controller, obviously enabled. Do we want it to look pretty? No, we don't. This one doesn't have any RGB anyways, so aura off. That'll save like 1 or 2 watts, I'd say. Yeah, so next, back out of that. APM configuration. I wonder how long you can see the screen there. Restore power, AC power loss. We want it in power on. That way, if I cycle the power on the power supply, we can reset the computer, turning it on and off directly. PCI subsystem settings, we want above 4G decode enabled, and USB, nothing there, nothing, leave all this. Okay, monitor, we don't care. Boot configuration, disable fast boot, and then we want to disable waiting for F1. When we get an error, it'll just make it automatically reboot no matter what happens, which is good, because I don't want to have to come down and hook a monitor up to a rig and then fart around just to get it to reset. And all that can stay the same. We've already flashed the BIOS of the motherboard to the latest version. So we're going to save. Oh, wait. We have to make sure we set our fan curve. I like to just put it in turbo. And there we go. So once it reboots, I'm going to turn it off. And we're going to plug it into the shelf with the other 4 that I have there. And we are now up to 20 in total, including the garage. These were ones I had already built and had mining, so they were I just threw them in there. But we're going to be building all these new ones here soon. Woohoo!